Biological growth is a menace to any home. You recently had it treated, but will it come back? Stay tuned to hear what to do to prevent biological growth from coming back in your home. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. Removing biological growth from your home takes a big load off of your mind. But is that the end of it? In this video, I'll explain if biological growth will come back, how you can prevent it from coming back, and I'll recommend other ways to stop biological growth. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. The first thing we have to look at with biological growth is it's usually a symptom of a problem. So if your crawl space or your basement is dry, biological growth cannot survive. So if we don't attack the underlying problem that allowed the biological growth to develop, then it can very well come back. Anytime that we see biological growth, we want to look at the source. Now, sometimes that's a plumbing leak. So fixing the plumbing leak, you're good to go long term. Other times it's continual dampness or flooding of your basement or crawl space. If this is the case, you really need to look at water drainage in those spaces. And then you can build up from there, such as encapsulation to create a completely sealed space, spray foam around the baseboards to truly make it a controlled atmosphere with a dehumidifier. If you have a crawl space and you haven't been opening or closing your vents depending on the seasons, you may look at that, opening your vents in the summer, closing those up for the winter. The main steps that we went over are going to be the most important. Now you can take them at different levels and you can do some of them but not all of them. If you want to be 100% sure about the space though, the water drainage, the encapsulation, the sump pump, the spray foam, and a dehumidifier truly makes that space a controlled atmosphere so that you can control the humidity levels and make sure it doesn't flood anymore. That's the only real way to get complete control. The other ones just make it better, and there's nothing wrong with that. Better is where you're sitting right now. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about what to do with your home after biological growth treatment? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.